A silent workshop suddenly wakes with one bold click. Meet the tool that turns maybe into done. CRAFTSMAN Drill. Driver enters like a pro, not a prop. Its 7-amp motor means serious muscle, instantly. Wood, metal, repairs this drill doesn't hesitate. It grips with a 1-2-inch chuck for more bit options. Swap bits fast and keep momentum alive. From shelves to fixtures, every project feels manageable. One tool, many tasks, no drama. A homeowner's secret weapon for weekend victories. A handyman's dependable partner on busy jobs. Even tough materials meet their match here. The drill bites cleanly, confidently, consistently. No wasted effort, just smooth power delivery. Its all-purpose design fits real home improvement life. Not flashy for show, strong for results. Built for everyday fixes and unexpected challenges. When the job grows, this tool grows with it. Feel the confidence of controlled drilling and driving. Get precision when details matter most. Get strength when the surface fights back. The CRAFTSMAN name brings trusted performance to hand. A tool that makes work look effortless. A tool that keeps your projects moving forward. A tool that earns its place on your shelf. Upgrade your kit with reliable everyday power. Perfect for DIYers chasing cleaner, faster results. Perfect for homeowners ready to fix it themselves. Perfect for handymen who need dependable versatility. Bring home the CRAFTSMAN Drill driver today. Shop now and make every project feel possible.